Hey there guys, it's Jason with Kingdom Dogs, and I've got 4 beautiful Cavapoos with me here. One of which is my boy, Bobo. Hey Bo, say hi. No? Not gonna say hi. He's just gonna hang out with us though. And Eli. Here's Eli. This is... Eli's getting so big, they all are. Hey there, buddy. Eli is just about old enough to go home next week. Is it next week? Yeah, today's the 5th. And he'll be ready the 14th. So we're looking at 9 days away. So there's Eli. What else do we have? Eli's Twinkie right here. This is Evie. Oh, where'd she go? Oh, somebody annoyed Bo. It wasn't you, Evie. Everything's okay. You did a good thing, girl. I know, she still wants him though. She really likes Bo. Evie, come here, baby. There she is. Hey, baby. Oh. Evie. Hi, princess. And then last in this little video is Erica. Hi, Erica. How you doing, lady? She's so precious, yeah. Cavapoos. Gotta love this breed. My goodness, look at how good they are. That's right, Eli, I'm talking about you. I'm saying you're a good boy. I know. You too, Erica? Evie. Hi, baby. There we go. Oh. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that good? Let me see if I can... Nope. She doesn't want to roll over for me yet. These guys are about 90% fur, by the way. They only weigh about 4 pounds at the moment. Well, guys, if you have any questions, give me a call anytime, okay? Oh, not the shoe. Put your shoes away. Take this time to prep your house. Because teething puppies like to bite on things. So find something good, like this rope. That's right, right? Rope? No? Fingers still. Yeah, they like fingers. There we go. They both like the rope very much. Erica, hi, baby. Here at the farm, they've got unlimited access to food. So I would recommend starting off on a diet of about a cup a day. But just a healthy puppy is a nice, fat, stuffed puppy. Oh my gosh. So here we don't regulate how much they eat. We like big puppies. But I know that Eli specifically might be a little bit overweight at the moment, so I'd recommend getting him on a diet. And same goes for all of them, really. But anyways, guys, sorry about getting sidetracked there. I just got excited about seeing chubby puppies. Give me a call if you have any questions, and I will talk to you then, okay? So on behalf of Eli, Evie, and Erica, we will see you later. Bye.